Hey guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. My name is Gigi and today I have an unboxing for you. So as you can tell from the title, the unboxing is going to be of a Cartier ring. So first things first is the beautiful package it comes in. Ta-da! So exciting. This is going to be my first ever Cartier ring. Now I do already own something from Cartier, and it is a bracelet. I might show that in my jewelry collection, but this video is dedicated to this beautiful piece right here, so let's open it together. Now, first thing I got with this is this cute little travel pouch. Now it's just a red pouch. If you open it, you can see it has the Cartier logo on it. And this is cute to carry around if you're traveling. You don't have to bring your red box. You can actually just place your jewelry in here and bring it with you anywhere you go. Next is, ta-da, obviously this beautiful Cartier packaging. Now it does come with the red seal, which is my favorite part. I got this ring about 10 days ago and I did not want to open it until I do this YouTube video, so here I am. Now I'm super excited for this red seal. Comes like that. Just giving you extra look on the packaging. Sorry, the quality is horrible. But yeah, let's open this up together. Ta-da! It comes in this beautiful red box that says Cartier on it. And I am super excited. One, two, three. Ta-da! Now I know the camera is not focusing, but it is this beautiful, gorgeous juste clou ring. Now I did get a size 48 because I do have small fingers. I originally wanted to go with 47, I believe, but that was a bit too tight. 49 was a little bit on the looser side, and I did hear that since it is designed, the little nail thing kind of digs into your fingers, so it's better to have it a little bit loose, especially because now it's winter time and our fingers do get swollen in the summertime, so you might want to go slightly half size up. Now I am going to come up and zoom in on the piece so you guys can take a better look at it. Okay, here you go. Yes, now you can see it better. And I did get this in the gold color, the gold finish. First I was debating whether to get the rose gold or the gold, but I ended up getting the gold. Wow, okay. I'd be very terrible at this, but bear with me, this is my first ever video and I'm hoping it turns out alright. So yeah, this is my juste clou ring. Now let's go ahead and put it on. Oh wow, look at that. I'm not sure if it's focusing. Maybe I should. Okay. It is so beautiful, you guys. I will insert better footage of what the ring actually looks like. But yeah, it is just gorgeous and so beautiful. So if you're debating whether to get this as your first ring, I highly recommend it. At first I wanted to go with the love ring, but I feel like everybody has that ring, and this, for me, the design of it just stands out a bit more than the regular band of the love ring. So yeah, I adore it. I'm obsessed. And if you do like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you liked my first video, and hopefully this is going to be the start of a great journey together. Thank you so much, and see you next time.